family news.
我諗我做家事報告咁耐咧，都有好多人問㗎啦。點解嗰啲嘢都已經 send 晒俾我，但係你都仲要講一次？
Then somebody asked me, it's already been publicized, all these different events, why you have to say it again?
答案好簡單，因為你收唔到。
We just want to say, make sure you have received it.
好多原因嘅。
There's a lot of reasons.
有陣時翻嚟聽唔到啱啱去咗洗手間。
Maybe you might have missed the announcement.
但係更重要嘅就係呢啲資料已經用 WhatsApp broadcast 俾你。
The most important thing is that a lot of the information is broadcast.
但係幾個月嚟，我不斷咁發現好多弟兄姊妹話俾我聽，佢收唔到。
But a lot of brothers and sisters said they have not received.
其中一個最大嘅原因就係你未加教會嘅電話落你嗰個嘅通訊錄。
Maybe you have not added the church phone number onto your WhatsApp.
但係就算你加咗教會嘅電話入你通訊錄，
Even you have added the church number as a contact.
都可能因為你個 WhatsApp 個版本唔同而收唔到㗎。
Maybe your WhatsApp may be of a different versions, you might not receive it.
我哋係確保每一個星期都會 send 資料俾你㗎。
We actually want to send out information.
我琴日發現咗有個弟兄，
Then I've talked to the
佢
brother.
自5月開始已經冇收到我哋嘅通訊啦。
Actually, from May, he has not receiving our.
但係佢咧就冇出聲。
But he did say to us.
如果你係嗰位弟兄同類似嘅經驗咧，請你同阿 Yan 聯絡，阿 Yan 就喺我右邊。
So if you have got the same problems, talk to Yan,
所以
please.
咧，今日嘅資訊咧，以往都俾過大家，我就隨略過。最重要就係聽日我哋有福音聚會啦，同埋下個禮拜日嘅崇拜咧，係繼續係我哋嘅 combined service 㗎。
So next we'll have gospel meeting tomorrow. Then next week on also is a combined service.
今日林牧師俾我哋一啲嘅提醒，反思嘅題目，希望大家好好嘅去使用。
Some reflection for us to use for our meetings in the week.
其餘嘅禱告已經做過好幾次，但係今個禮拜三我哋有現場祈禱會呢樣嘢咧，我都要再講。
We want to emphasize this Wednesday we're going to have a face-to-face prayer meeting.
希望大家喺當日嘅晚上，
Hope you will come on that
如果你
evening.
係會參加愛宴嘅，6點半翻到嚟，
If you want to have the meal together, it's 6:30.
我哋會7點半開始有工作坊，然後一齊有祈禱會。
And then 7:30 prayer meeting.
其他嘅我就略過啦。
And others you will just zoom past.
我哋有11位弟兄姊妹不怕死，唔怕被勒捕同埋被迫害。
There's 11 heroes who stand not to be, but they're not afraid to be labeled as Christian.
我想話俾你聽一個好消息，
But there's a good news for them.
仲有2個。
There's actually more than 11.
但係呢2位咧，因為身體唔舒服嘅原因咧，佢唔能夠翻嚟我哋教會同我哋一齊聚會同埋接受聖洗禮。
Because of the physical conditions, they cannot come to our church to receive the baptism.
所以我得到聯區長嘅批准，我會喺下個禮拜2喺Great Yarmouth嘅福音聚會同 Susan 同埋財叔洗禮。
So Tom has also students to baptize them in Jesus.
佢哋2位已經參加咗我哋教會嘅聚會20多年。
They have been with our church for over 20 years.
佢最終願意接受耶穌基督為佢哋救主。
Now they decided to commit their life to God.
唔怕死，唔
They're
怕
not
被
afraid
勒
of
捕，
death, not to be afraid of
唔係年青
persecution.
人必然嘅事。
This is not only reserved for young people.
蘇神同埋財叔作為我哋嘅長輩，俾到我哋好大嘅啟示，
They are our elders. They actually give us a good witness.
對我哋繼續嘅去努力。
They are continuous to work hard for the Lord.
上個星期嘅網上同埋現場嘅奉獻數字已經喺熒光幕上，
Offering from last week.
繼續為教會好好嘅使用上帝俾我哋供應祈禱。
Give us wisdom to use it wisely.
跟住係完成咗啦呢個，
We actually done
小
that.
休都完成